So we are back today with our Boxycharm unboxing. I think my premium is coming like next week or something. I'm filming this today on Thursday, so I'm going to upload it first thing tomorrow morning for Friday, but I think my next box comes in the next couple days. So just keep in mind that once those boxes come, I'll definitely be updating you guys and we'll definitely be doing the unboxings. So this here is their $25 box. And this is the one that Boxycharm sent me. I also do have my own subscription, which I do get Boxycharm, the premium, and then the Boxy Luxe. You know, in the next couple of videos, you guys might see another unboxings, and that way you guys know why I have so many Boxycharms. But yes, we're gonna go ahead and get diving into it. I always put all of the information that you need down in the description box in case you guys are wanting to know more about it. But you guys know this drill because I'm sure you guys come back to my channel to watch these videos. I'd like to keep it pretty short and sweet so that way we can get into it and figure out what's inside this box. So let's get to it. The first thing I have here is by Elemis. I think that's how you say it, Elemis. And it is the Dynamic Resurfacing Facial Pads. That's a pretty large thing. So it comes with 60 pads, and on the Ulta website, this retails for $59. It has 4.5 stars. So you use twice per day, morning and night, after cleansing. Ooh, it smells really good. It smells kind of tropical, but there you have it right inside. Just some facial pads that are already soaked with the product. So I'll definitely give it a shot and start incorporating it. The next thing I have here is the Tarte Micellar Magic Makeup Remover and Cleanser. So this here retails for $18. It is a clean product at Sephora, and it has about almost 4 stars, 94 reviews, and it's just a gentle, no rinse facial cleanser that removes waterproof and long wear makeup. So yes, definitely will start using that. I actually just finished up my last cleanser, or my cleansing balm, so I'll start using that tonight. Next up I have is the Pretty Vulgar, which has this really pretty little packaging like this. So this is the eyeshadow primer right there. It has a little bit of color. I don't know if it will cancel out any darkness, so if you have any discoloration to the eyes, just keep an eye out. You may have to go in with something else. I'll definitely try it out in a video. Oh, that is tacky. I'm just like, that is really tacky. Normally with eyeshadow primers, I always get confused on when to use them because I have discoloration, so I always like to use like a blank canvas, so I always use concealer. And I never have any issues using concealer, but I find that an eyeshadow primer obviously does a really good job. It's just, when do you use it? So do you conceal and then put the eyeshadow primer on top? And then sometimes I've done that before, but then I find that the eyeshadow primer will take off my concealer. So you guys let me know if you use eyeshadow primer, if you have discoloration in your eyes, what do you use? Because the only other thing I can think of that I could use that would just be like, you know, would solve all my problems would just be the Paint Pot by MAC, which I used to use, but like I said, I just don't know when to use it. All right, so we are almost done. I have, ooh, House Laboratories. Is it Haus or House Laboratories? Anyways, it's Lady Gaga's brand, and this is bomb. I have something in the shade called Whiskey. Oh, it's a liquid eyeliner. I own nothing from this brand. It's a brown. Whoa, that is pigmented. Oh, shit. What the? Oh my gosh, Steph. Well, that came off pretty easy. I was just smelling it because I thought it smelled like something. And be a little more careful. No, it smells like liquid liner. Maybe it's the primer. Where it is applied, newly wet, and then once it dries down, it is much more of like it gets a little bit deeper, but it's a matte finish. House Laboratories, I feel like their price points for products aren't like super crazy expensive, which is nice. The last product I have is by Appeal Cosmetics, and this looks like it's a, yeah, it's a liquid lipstick in the shade Sugar and Spice. We've received stuff from Appeal, haven't we? I think I've gotten maybe liners from them. I can't remember, but I've seen, we have received stuff from this brand before. So there you have it. It's definitely more of a coral shade. I do use these colors, and I will use these colors. I just don't use them by themselves. I always have to like fade it in with like a lip liner because I find that like over time, it just washes me out. But if I pair it with the right lip liner, it can look bomb. Quite impressed. I was a little bit skeptical for this month's box, just with all of our subscription boxes. I figured that a lot of it might be more skincare involved, since I know a lot of us are, you know, spending time at home and pampering ourselves, maybe not putting on as much makeup as we normally would. Although I'm kind of impressed by the balance of makeup and skincare. And I will definitely say that I'm very excited about the skincare products. Like, two brands that I really do enjoy, and this brand I've only received a few things from, so I'm excited to try this out, and this is something I could definitely tell you I will be using. But not only that, like, I was not expecting Haus Laboratories in here, and I think this is pretty cool. So thank you all so much for watching today's video. Please make sure to hit that subscribe button if you guys are new to my channel and you haven't subscribed yet. I will be doing more unboxings as this is the beginning of the month. There will be more boxes coming, so thank you all for watching today's video. I love you guys, and make sure to hit that subscribe button down below. I will see you guys on my next video, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.